Everyone told us that getting a college degree was the safest path to success. Get good grades, get into a good school, and you'll land a great job. That was the promise. But in the age of AI, does that promise still hold up? Companies like OpenAI, Google, and Meta are pouring billions into AI models that can think, write, and even make decisions like humans. McKinsey predicts that automation will replace 30% of jobs by 2030, but let's be real, that number's probably too low. Experts have been consistently wrong about AI's speed, underestimating how fast it's evolving. AI isn't just coming for factory jobs, it's coming for white-collar work, jobs that used to require years of education. For decades, degrees were a signal of competence, but now AI is making expertise instantly accessible. Think about it. If an AI can write legal documents, analyze data, and even generate medical reports, what happens to all those professions that require degrees? White-collar jobs like financial analysts, paralegals, and even software engineers are being augmented or outright replaced by AI. Meanwhile, platforms like ChatGPT and Claude can generate marketing plans, summarize complex reports, and even provide legal insights in seconds. If an AI can do in minutes what a college graduate takes years to learn, why would companies keep hiring based on degrees? We're already seeing the shift. Companies like Tesla and Google have removed degree requirements for many roles, favoring skills and experience over a diploma. More and more businesses are realizing that real-world ability is more important than a framed certificate on the wall. And the biggest advantage AI has, it doesn't need a degree, a salary, or even sleep. It just learns and improves. But let's be clear, this doesn't mean education is dead. It just means the way we think about learning needs to change. The most valuable workers will be those who can collaborate with AI, not compete against it. Emotional intelligence, critical thinking, and creativity, things AI struggles with, will become more valuable than ever. The people who win in this new world won't be those who memorize facts, but those who know how to leverage AI to solve problems faster and better than anyone else. So does that mean college is useless? Not necessarily, but it does mean that a degree alone won't be enough anymore. The future belongs to those who can adapt, learn continuously, and integrate AIs into their workflow instead of just asking, what degree should I get? The better question might be, how do I future-proof my skills in an AI-driven world? What do you think? Are we seeing the end of traditional education as we know it? Drop a comment below, and let's talk about the future of learning. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on AI, automation, and the future of work. Stay ahead of the curve, and I'll see you in the next one. And lastly, if you've made it this far into the video, I truly appreciate you. Now, if you want to take your AI marketing and content creation skills to the next level, I'd recommend joining my AI Marketing Insiders community. This is truly a no BS community for marketers, content creators, and business owners who are serious about wanting to learn AI without all of the guru clickbait hype that exists everywhere else on the internet. Now, as a member of this community, you get full access to all of my courses, which are worth over $1,000 in value with the AI Beginners Bootcamp, the AI Marketing Essentials course, and I will be adding more courses over time at no additional expense to you. You also get weekly live Q&As with me, which is your chance to pick my brain right on the spot. And over time, I will be doing more one-on-one calls as this community grows. You also get access to a private community and network with like-minded individuals and all sorts of other valuable information that you can find in here. So you do get a 7-day free trial as well, and you can find the link for my AI Marketing Insiders community below this video. And most importantly, I hope you all have a great day.